not one, but two. Two old shitty revolvers, not one, but two shitbox revolvers. Anyway. Both in 38 Smith & Wesson, both made around 1900, and both probably used by some idiot in World War I, which probably would have been me. This is a Belgian copy and probably used by the German army just because it's got this little Germanic safety on it like the Reich's revolver. That's the only evidence I got. All I know is it's Belgian and it shoots and it's in 38 Smith & Wesson and it was cheap and I wanted it because it was fucking cool. I have a Johnson Model 3, 1901 manufacturing. This one was probably made in 1900 or 1902. But it's the only one I've seen. And this one just, Ivor Johnson. Everybody knows the Ivor Johnson. 38 Smith & Wesson, made the new grip for it. Fix that, now it works. They both work. Double single action. This one, worked right off the bat, thankfully. But yeah. Thanks for watching.